Me is a Jamaican and today me go cook up some fish soup. So what day me and my brethren then go see and me catch up them little fish here. So me decide say yo them you can fry, them you can steam, so me go cook some soup. So first me clean up the fish them, then me put them in the pot for go and boil. After them done boil, me take them out, then me pick them up, cause me know no bone catch me while me a drink the soup here. After all of that, I cut up a whole of my seasoning them, my pumpkin, my chocho, my Irish, my carrot, my thyme and my scallion, and allow it to boil for a while. After all of the food then done boil in the pot, I then add my cock soup. Sadly, I never have none of the fish noodle, so I use the cock soup. Then I stir and stir until all of the flavor them blend in the soup. So the fish when me pick up RD bone, I add it back to the soup along with some pimento and butter and allow for simmer. And quick time the soup was basically done. And then I bring some go give my granny and me and her sit down and eat.
How the soup taste?
Me tell you say, hey bad, you're too extra.